Word allows you to accept words as correctly spelled, even if they aren't correctly spelled. This tip explains how to track down those errantly accepted words and make sure that they are marked as incorrect in the future. When you're checking the spelling in a document, Word marks all the words that it thinks are incorrectly spelled. Now, it's possible that Word may not catch an incorrectly spelled word as well. For instance, you can see an incorrectly spelled word right in the middle of this first paragraph. This might occur if someone was using your system and previously indicated that the incorrectly spelled word was, indeed, spelled correctly. For instance, I'm going to go right down here to this word, and I'm going to make sure that it's incorrectly spelled. You can see that the red squiggly underline appears on it, but if I right-click on that incorrectly spelled word, there's an option here to add to dictionary. That means the word will be added to the dictionary and never be indicated as incorrectly spelled in the future. Word doesn't question the decision. It just adds the incorrectly spelled word to what is called the custom dictionary. Word can actually have multiple custom dictionaries, and the misspelled word could be in any of them. Well, to edit the custom dictionaries, you want to start by displaying the Word Options dialog box. You click on File, and then you click on Options. At the left side of the screen, we're going to click on Proofing. Next, we're going to click on Custom Dictionaries. That's this option right down here, and that displays the Custom Dictionaries dialog box. Now, there may be multiple dictionaries that are listed in this particular dialog box. I'm going to choose this default one right here, and then I'm going to edit word list. When I do that, I can see all of the words that are in this custom dictionary. Now, the one that we're looking for is the word video, spelled with 2 I's. So all we have to do is go down, and we can see that it's right here. I choose that word, I choose delete, and then I click on OK, and then close this dialog box. Now if I type the word video with 2 I's anytime in the future, it's going to be marked as incorrect, and I can then correct it using the right-click option in here and choose that I want to make it into the correctly spelled word. So if you have words that show up in a document and you know that they're incorrectly spelled, make sure you go check the custom dictionaries, because the word may be in there, and that could be what's causing the problem of the word not being marked as incorrectly spelled. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.